is homemade salt dough that I can store in a container for up to 3 months. So this is just so super cool. I've never made it where we can play with it like it's almost like Play-Doh. And I'm assuming instead of beeswax modeling, because that's really too hard for my 2.5-year-old who's not really doing preschool. We're just implementing some of these fun things throughout our week and possibly even our days. So this is just going to be so much easier than the beeswax for us at the moment. So this is really, really cool. I hope you guys can check it out. Her seasonal guides are available right now. I think they're half off. Please choose to buy the booklets versus PDFs and printing them, because I made that mistake last year, and it is so expensive to print it. Okay, there's a lot of pages, so please just get the guides. So much cheaper. And the fact that she is closing her store for the summer and or undetermined amount of time, I think they're half off. So really, it's just such a great deal. It's just the sweetest curriculum. I love it so much. This is so much fun. I don't think that I should give you the recipe for this salt dough, only because I feel like maybe you should buy the curriculum if you're looking to do something like this. So I don't want to like give something away from the curriculum, but I'm sure you can look it up. And in place of oil, I emailed Megan from Whole Family Rhythms to ask her if I can substitute coconut oil for just like regular oil, and she said yes. And so it smells really good with this.